Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. Back with another quick video. Again, we're doing the 20 under 20. Oh my goodness, man. This time I finally got it right. I'm just saying 20 for 20 or 20 times 20, whatever. That's beyond the point. Today's episode in the 20 under 20, picked up this guy right here. The Primo Tech Station, right? This is pretty dope. Works with all of your AirPods, Apple Watch, and your phone, man. So let's see what some of the cool things about this is. One of the things I really like about this is being able to put all of your accessories on one device for them to be able to charge. Let's talk about the ups with this one. It's going to fit all of your Apple accessories, watch, AirPods, all models, and smartphones, really only Apple, right? I did see one very similar to this for Android. It wasn't by Primo, though. It was by somebody else. Let's look at the side here. You know, I always like the graphics. Tech Station 3-in-1 premium silicone charging station. And then it shows you what it looks like right here. Now, one of the downfalls to this already, I like the graphics right here too. One of the downfalls to this one already, I don't know if you guys can see that, charging cable is not included. So for that, I'm going to have to take some points off for this one, man. I really don't like that the cables aren't included. But if you bought enough Apple products or even Samsung products, then you have plenty of those USB-C or Lightning cable adapters already. This one came from TJ Maxx. Spent $7.99 on it. That was the actual price. I already opened this up to see if I liked it. I'm, pretty dissatisfied with the charging cables, but at least they told us right here versus me having to buy it and then didn't give receipt of cables. So let's open it up right quick. Very simple to do so right here. So if you look inside, no literature. That's a thumbs down. I always like the literature. So, and then we have the silicone case right here, right? Cool. Very simple and easy to use. You see all your cable management down here. So you would just insert your 3 cables. That's 3 different charging cables you would need to be able to utilize this. Let's show you what it looks like down here. And then let's go ahead and set it up. So your Apple Watch charger would go in here. You would set your AirPods right there. Apple Watch. I wonder, do I fit this one in here first? Oh, okay, cool. And then we just need my Apple Watch. Or not Apple Watch, but your iPhone there. So let's see here. I have an iPhone that I have not used in a while. And you just set that up like that. So cool. I guess if I put the cables in this, it would probably look a lot better. But I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not going to do that. I mean, for $8, man, this is a really nice deal to be able to charge all 3 of your devices, your phone, AirPods, and your watch all at once. I think this is really cool. Would I spend $8 on this again? Yeah, I mean, I'm looking around my house here. I got plenty of cables to be able to suffice this, but I think it's pretty cool. And you know what? As a matter of fact, we're not going to be lazy with the video, man. Let's go ahead and add the cables for you all. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we got our cables back, man. Not going to cheat you on the vid here. So let's show you what cables you're going to need, right? So what is this? The puck charger for the Apple Watch. I think it is $19. Another charger that came with your iPhone, $19. And then this is the USB-C to Lightning. This one came with my latest phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hoo-ha, right there. But you can still use the USB-C charger, it doesn't matter. So you got all the different chargers that you'll need. I keep calling them chargers, charging cables that you'll need. You need to plug each one of these into here, into their corresponding little spots in order for you to charge your device. So let's show you what that looks like here. So this one, the puck charger, I'm going to just throw in here. And then we're going to feed the cable down. So let's go ahead here, feed the cable down. All right, cool, man. That would fed the cable down here. Cool. And then you just put it on one of these little hooks. I like that. And then if you set it down, it still will set evenly. I like that. It's really cool. So that's one right there, right? Then we would need to do the same thing for our AirPods. So what I'm going to do is feed this in through this little bottom hole right here. I don't know how far down this one goes, so probably leave a little bit of space. There you go. And I'm gonna just put my AirPods on here as so. Cool, that's a nice fit. And then lastly, we gotta do for your iPhone here. So you're gonna take your iPhone charging cable, not charger, because charger will indicate the entire thing. So then we're gonna feed that right through this corresponding hole, if it fits. Huh, this is weird. So it doesn't fit in there. Oh, okay, there we go. So I'm gonna stick it through about right there and then place this in this third little slot for cable management. What I will say, man, for $8, I really love the cable management on this. Like how they just did the cables. This is really cool because all your cables are managed and then you just sit your stuff down appropriately, right? It's a good marketing setup right there too. So I'm gonna just push this down. I don't know how far it'll go down, but let's go ahead and put our phone in there. Cool, there we go, man. So that is a really, really nice set. Oh, I forgot the Apple Watch, man. And then you just throw your Apple Watch on right there. So here's what we got, man. This is what it looks like. Really nice setup. I mean, for $8, can't get any better than this, man. The only thing is, again, it does not come with the cables, but it did tell you ahead of time. So make sure you read the back of these boxes and packages or whatever. That way you see what's really going on here. For $8 review, I'm definitely would pick this up. I already did. This may be in an upcoming giveaway or something like that. You want to tell me what you want me to do with all this stuff that I get? Because I usually end up buying it and giving it away to my friends or people that I work with. So if you all want it, please let me know, and then we can start seeing how I can do some free giveaways for you all. It probably won't be anything over $50 until we get more subscribers. Once we get more subscribers, I may go ahead and give away an iPhone because I always keep the last year's model for just in case. So until the next vid, man, this has been Steph with the 20 under 20 by Primo here, or Primo. This is really cool, and I think this is a nice premium product for $8. Check out your local TJ Maxx. Until the next video, guys, it's been Steph. Let's get it.